Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Michael and today I'm going to present you a recipe that is close to my heart. This recipe gained me a Michelin star back in 2007 in France. We're going to prepare a lovely ceviche with a lot of citrus and spice. Hope you enjoy. Scottish fresh salmon, Cornish fresh hake, red chili, green chili, avocado for the puree, salt and pepper, some leaves, mixed salad leaves, extra virgin olive oil, and a lot of different citrus. First thing we're doing is our dressing. Wine lime, 1 orange, and 1 lemon. There we go. This will bring a nice fruitiness to the dish. Next, we're going to prepare our segment. So I take a nice and sharp knife and I remove the skin of the fruits. Same with the lime. And finally, the orange. It's important to use all the blade when you do this, as you want to have to keep the shape of the fruit nice and round. There we have them, our fruit. Now we're going to keep the zest. We're going to remove the supreme of the fruit, the essence of those fruit. Lime segment, and do not throw this juice. We're going to use it for our dressing, so we're going to press it in our bowl. We'll do the same with the lemon. Again, we'll extract this lemon juice in our bowl. And lastly, the orange. Again, the juice of the orange, which will bring the sweetness into the dish. And now I cut my spring onion in an angle. This will be on the dish when we finish. What we're going to do next, we're going to chop the chili. So I cut them in half, cut the edge off, those are jalapeno chilies, so they are quite mild. Don't want the spice to overpower the fish. And now I'm gonna add this chopped chili to my juices. Next thing, let's finish our dressing. Nice seasoning, salt and pepper. and we emulsify with extra virgin olive oil. Next, our avocado puree. Take the avocado, cut it in half. You want a nice green avocado, but also nice and tender. It needs to lightly break when you push it with your finger. And empty the pulp into a robo mixer or a blitzer. The important part is scrape the green color of the avocado. Then squeeze of the lime juice and squeeze of half a grapefruit. You can use a pink grapefruit or a golden yellow grapefruit. I chose the golden yellow, beautiful grapefruit. And squeeze it in. Salt, pepper, and olive oil. And we're going to blitz and mix everything into a smooth puree. Tap it down and open it. And you have it, a nice and smooth avocado puree. You do not want to blitz it for too long. The longer you blitz it, the hotter it gets, and you will lose the green color you want. So let's take care of our fish now. So I take the fillet and I just slice it. In sashimi, you don't want it too thin. You want a nice thickness to it. Same with the hake. I'm using hake here, but you can use brill or flat fish, white flat fish, nice tender flesh fish. So you have a different texture between the salmon and the white flesh fish. So let's marinate our fish now. Seasoning, salt and pepper, and then you're just going to pour it on top of the fish. Leave it to marinate for 4 to 5 minutes. This is a very traditional way of eating fish in South America. And now let's dress and finish our dish. So I mix my fish that you can see has started to marinate, and I just arrange it nicely on the plate. Segment orange to bring a bit of fruitiness to the dish, lime for the acidity and freshness, and lemon for the zesty flavor. Then put my avocado puree, velvety, light and green. Our spring onion. Some salad leaves. And here you have it, our marinated ceviche that gained me a Michelin star in 2007. Enjoy! If you enjoyed today's recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel to discover more interesting recipes.